In this video, I'm going to talk about how to delete contact photo on iOS 26 and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is, if you're having this trouble, you just need to go over here to the contacts. Over here, you just need to tap on the contacts. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to search here for any kind of number that you wanted to change, or you can go over here. So I'm going to demonstrate you with the first one, that I'm going to change one of my number that I've saved already here. So what I'm trying to do is just going to search for this and just tap on the number over here. And right now, if I wanted to change it, I just need to go over here, tap on the edit. And right now, as you can see, I have to tap on this. So these are some of, we have two options. One is an avatar and we have a poster. So in the avatar, we have various kind of things like this. You can set it up, you can customize it like this, or if you wanted to make any kind of change, you can do like this. And if you go to the posters over here, as you can see, it looks slightly different from avatar over here. You can keep in any one of these over here, and you can make it over here. So what I'll do is, let me keep this over here, and I have set this over here. And once you're done with this one, you can just go over here and save it. But keep in mind, you cannot delete it unless you can just change either to the poster or avatar over here like this, and you can keep it as per your need. And this is how we can do it, right? So I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.